Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Google on your laptop, make sure you're in the correct account, and complete two-step if prompted. Once signed in, open Docs. Google, Com or Drive, then type the document name into the search box and press Enter. If the file is shared, verify your permission level so you can edit, otherwise request access now. This reduces interruptions later and ensures changes sync correctly, so you can begin editing immediately and avoid version headaches. You now focus on making changes with purpose. Toggle between editing and suggesting modes depending on whether you want tracked edits. Once you type or restructure content, highlight text and press Ctrl+Alt+M to leave a comment, and assign it to a collaborator if you need input. If you're reorganizing sections, use headings and the outline to move content faster. Also, make sure to name versions from file. Version history. This helps you revert or compare later if something goes awry. You finish by confirming the Save to Drive message so you don't lose work. Google autosaves, but a visual check helps. Next, click Share, add emails, and set viewer, commenter, or editor permissions, then send. If you need sign-off, request an edit or comment and watch for replies. If something blocks syncing, reload the page, clear your browser cache, or open an incognito window and sign in. Often that restores connection and preserves your changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.